Some people don't know why we have to follow scholars who are alive. It's not because I like this scholar and now that he's passed away, I'm just going to continue to follow him. In Islam, we do not idolize personalities. We follow scholars because we are living in an extremely fast, evolving society. World is rapidly changing. Every year, go look up the most searched questions on Google. If we don't discuss those top 50 questions that people ask Google from this minbar, then this minbar will become irrelevant in people's lives. The reason why we have to follow an alim that is alive, because he needs to pick up where others left off, and he needs to continue the journey to answer people's questions today. That is why we have to follow an alim that is alive.